Hey, overthinkers! Welcome to the first episode of Keep Calm and Panic Later, where we talk about the relatable and real talk about anxiety, overthinking, insomnia, and all the crazy things that our brains do to us. I'm your host, Sir Kelly, and today let's talk about something na na-experience natong tanan. And that is what we call the spotlight effect. Kabantay pa mo anang feeling nimo tanang tao nagtan-aw nimo. Nga for example, accidentally nadagma ka and then sa public place pa jud and then in your mind nauwawan ka kay nakakita ang tibuok kalibutan no. Well, guess what, ang tinuod diha, they didn't. So what exactly is spotlight effect? Basically, it's the illusion that people are paying way more attention to us than they actually are. Pero in reality, most people are too busy thinking about themselves to even notice you. Kung ang spotlight effect, kung nag-spotlight effect ka sa imong kaugalingon, sila pod kay nag-spotlight effect sad sa ilang kaugalingon. For example, no, tagaan ta mong example ha. For example, number one, kana ganing nadugi kag mata, no? So you wake up late and then pag mata nimo ni ano bang largo ka, ilis, then haggard pero fighting imong energy, no? And unahon na nimo ana nga dili na lang ko maatubang og tao kay murag kuan kaayo ako ang dagway haggard, no? But the truth is wala sila'y labot ana. Baga they don't care ang mga tao. And another example sad no is kana ganing naa kay nakitaan nga kaila sa layo. So imo siyang gitagad, giwave nimo hi. Oh. And then wa siya kakita nimo. Wa kanya natagad. And then para nimo nauwaw ka. Wow to eh. Oh. Pero if pansinan nimo ang mga tao sa palibot, they really don't care. Kumaga 2 seconds after kanila nakitaan nga nag-wave tapos wala kay gi-wave ba kay wala ka kita nimo. 2 seconds after that, people just get back sa kung sa to ilahang gibuhat. So they don't care. Example number 3. This is very duol sa akong heart kani nga example kay since I am a teacher, no. For example, in a class, nakay idea gusto nimong i-share and then kana ganing hesitant ka, di ka sure, mauwaw ka, kay hadlok ka nga sayop ang imuhang idea. So you're afraid of the judgment of your classmates baron or whoever is naa diha sa ano. And then you know what? After a few seconds, nga imuhat, for example, imo itong gisulti, imuhang idea, whether it's correct or not, regardless of the reactions, after 5 seconds, katong mga tawanay, they get back to focusing sa ilahan na pong kaugalingon. Na that is spotlight effect. Now the question is, why does this happen? Why does this what we call spotlight effect happen? Okay. Now spotlight effect happens because our brains are self-centered ni siya by default. Yes. This is self-centered by default. Mura pag na ay built-in gani nga kanang feeling we are the main character, no, of our kanang scenario nga mula ka aling aisle, feeling mo ikaw gitanaw, feeling na late ka og abot sa eskwelahan, then feeling mo ikaw nang pagitanaw, no? So just like that, kumbaga we are, kaya tong brain is naka-default nga tong brain naka-default siya nga self-centered. But you know what, the reality is people just focus on themselves. Na-time sa una actually nung experience, personal experience na ako, during college days, medyo baga pa niya akong buhok kani. And then, siguro every 2 weeks ko magpatupi sa una. Okay, 1 to 2 weeks, paspas pa siya motubo. And then, kani akong buhok, kulot yun na siya kaayo. Basta kana ganing mutaas na, and then, mo siya sa na certain length niya nga inig ulo naligo ko, pero kana ganing dili siya ilahan nga naligo ko kay it's because dry akong hair, dry jud siya, no? And then I was very conscious akong kagalingon the whole day nga what if tanawon ko, what if nani ana. Pero you know what, not even a single person mentioned about my hair, no? Naaman, pero kanabang labay lang, marabag mapansin nila nga inana kong hair, then after few seconds okay na, no? So that's spotlight effect nga kita ra gani ang nagunahon na, no? So sa main ang lesson nga akong i-share in this episode nga angay nato nga ma-learn, no, is the things that we overthink are talagsa ra jud na kaayo nga big deal jud para sa ubang tao, just as we imagine. Kay umaga sa asawaran ng imagination, sa imagination na nato nga people are like this, what if inani ilang isulti about nato, and then the truth is sila pod nagunahon ang ugina. Kumbaga they are so busy how other people are thinking about themselves. So kumbaga di sila kahunahon na nila abot na to. No, that's the thing about the spotlight effect. Now, how to turn it off kaning gitawag nga spotlight effect. So ma-turn off din ni siya. Di na siya naka-auto on nga di na nimo off. Ma-off na siya. So I have here 5 tips nga pwedeng ninyong i-follow or pwede ninyong magsilbi nga guide, no, para ma-turn off ning gitawag na kanang spotlight effect. So number 1, ask yourself if does it matter after 5 days? Will it matter after 5 days? Kay if dili gani siya mo matter after 5 days, anong hadlok man ka? Ngano imo mo siyang gi-overthink? Ngano man nga kana bang dili ka mo take action? Di mo siya isulti. If it doesn't matter after 5 days, then it's not worth it nga imo siyang i-overthink. So that's number 1. Number 2 is i-reverse nimo ang role. I-reverse nimo ang situation. What if, para kadina katong example about nadagma. Kaya ikaw man itong nadagma. What if ikaw na po ang nakakita nga naitaw nga nadagma? Ikaw na nakakita, ha? Will you remember that person after 1 hour? This is very powerful, no? Kani siya nga, this is a very powerful mindset tool na we should remember. Now, if ikaw ang makakita sa tao nga nadagma, no? After 1 hour, makahinumdum ba kaniya? Na, diba? So, same with that, same with that idea, nga if it happens to you, just chill lang. Kaya after 1 hour, makalimutan na sila. No? Di man 1 hour, siguro 1 day or few days, makalimutan na sila. Okay, number 3, you focus on other people, not yourself. Not on yourself. Kay, kumbaga, how will you help other people today? Ano na lang. Kumbaga, you transfer your focus on the other people, but not negatively, no? It's in a positive way, like, makita how will you help other people. In that way, the spotlight effect, dili na nimo mahunahunaan diha nimo. Kundi dito na nila kumbaga, you will be focused more on other people than yourself. Okay? Then, hindi mo na, kumbaga, kung sa Tagalog pa, hindi mo na namamalayan na you're doing things that do matter without being afraid of being judged by other people. Kaya kung nag-focus kasi mo kagalingon, magunahon na naman po ka nga, basig, kung saan na lang ikasulti. No? So just like that, just focus on other people. Number 4, just chill. Ikatawa lang na, laugh it off. Ikatawa ra na siya. Kay, if other people think nga makabantay sila nimo ba, if they see you nga para nimo big deal to siya nga nahitabo, big deal para nimo na nga nadagma ka, or big deal para nimo nga nasayop ka, then para nila big deal po na siya. But if they see you nga you just laugh, chill, wala lang. Wala to eh. So after a few moments, after a few minutes or hours, days, wala lang. They will start doing the things nga ang ilahad yung originally gibuhat. That's number 4. And number 5 kanang you accept that people really don't care about you. Usahay man good sa ato ang pag-overthink, we already judge people bisag ko pa sila gisulti. Tungod kaya nag-overthink ka ba, no? Because you think they care about you, so tanang lihok nila imo na lang i-judge. I'm actually a victim ana. I'm a victim ana nga. Wa ko'y gibuhat, wa ko'y gisulti, but I was approached. I was kanang gikaw ko ba gi approach ko niya sa butang I did not even care. Kaya iya akong gi-judge nako siya. Something like that. So mo to siya na effect. Wa mo gud niya gi-turn off ang kanang what we call the spotlight effect. Nga iyang na-assume niya nga that statement nga akong gibuhian was really para atong butang para niya gi-judge pa. So it will not have a good effect on you. So akong ibalik ko, number 1, no, tips lang niya. Number 1, will it matter after 5 days? If it doesn't matter, just continue, no? Second, reverse. If makakita ka nga na ay isa po imong classmate na sayo pag answer, will you remember that one after 1 hour? Dili na eh. Mag-resist sa ganina kung estudyante ka, no? 3, focus on other people, no? 4, just chill, just laugh, relax. And number 5, just accept that people just don't care, right? Alright, overthinkers, that's it for today. Thank you for being with me, no? And I hope walay nakakita aning video. Kung nakakita mo ni ka, ato ra ni ha. Ayaw share so bad. Mag-overthink man niya ko. Okay, let's remember, nobody cares as much as we think we are. No? Kumbaga, Nobody cares as much as you think they do. Keep calm and stop overthinking. So, kung nakarelate ka, aning episode for today, overthinker, so, pili mo ni i-share sa imong friend nga, wala ba kong overthinker? No, para daghan na ta pag-overthink. Okay. If naamoy mga experiences also, mga funny experiences about overthinking, kindly share it to me. No? You may comment that one here. If you're on YouTube, sa comment lang, i-comment is below, then ako na siyang masahon. And then, if you're on Facebook or Messenger, you may message me, no? And then, sa Facebook, pwede ninyo i-comment, no? So, kung asa man ninyo ninakitaan na video, i-comment lang below, i-PM ko, no? Or if sa YouTube channel, then dito sa kanang comment section below. So, don't forget to subscribe. Stay chill and remember, life is too short to worry about the imaginary spotlight. See you in the next episode.